Ever thought about how dangerous sneezing while driving can be? At 60 miles per hour, a single sneeze can close your eyes for about 50 feet. That's like driving blind for the length of an entire football field. And get this, sneezing lasts just 1 to 2 seconds, but at highway speeds, that's more than enough to cause a serious accident. It's the equivalent of scrolling your phone while driving, completely distracted for a crucial moment. Scary, right? So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, will you be ready to pull over or hit the brakes?